So this is just a quick video today just to show you how to remove the handlebars on the Brompton. I've had a quick little look on YouTube and there's not a lot on there, but there's one or two methods showing you sort of removing brake levers, brake cables and gear cables, and making the whole thing much more difficult than it needs to be. So I'll just show you my way of doing it. Right, so first of all, the reason I'm doing it is this. As you can see there, quite a bit of rust on there, and same at the other side. So I think there's probably rust inside as well, so I'm going to tackle that. Now that's another video. I am doing a video on that as well. If you're interested, you got any problems with rust on your bike, then that might be of interest to you. But all I'm going to concentrate on this one is just how simple it is to actually take this bar off, and then I'll also put it back and just show you quickly how to do that. Okay, so the first step is to remove the grips on this. As you can see, the ergon grips, and they're held on by the bar ends, so I just need to release that, remove that, and then this should just slide off, which it does. Next is the brakes. Just loosen that. And also loosen the gears. We've got the old rabbit ear gears changer on this. If you've got a more up-to-date Brompton, a more modern one, then this is just one unit, but it's the same principle. Just loosen that unit, and then the centre bolt for the handlebar there. So I'm going to take that one out completely. Just need to loosen that. Work the handlebar out. So work the handlebar out to the opposite side, and that frees up some slack in the cables. Work that round. That frees up slack in the cables to enable you to take those off. Now obviously if you were replacing the handlebar for whatever reason, then it's the same procedure with the other side. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Right, so replacing is directly the opposite to taking it off. You just need to make sure you've got your cables in the right place. Which is sort of around the front of the stem. If you come around this side or anything, you'll have problems when you come to trying to fold. And there we go.